What you don't know about Fishayomi ABEBI. Fishayomi ABEBI, born Fishayomi Olamide Amodemaja, is a rising star in the Yoruba movie industry. At just 14 years old, she has already made her mark as an actress and producer. Here are some notable aspects of her journey and accomplishments. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. 1. Early start in acting and producing. Fishayomi began acting at the age of 8 through church drama activities and school plays. By 10, she produced her debut movie, ABEBI, which highlighted the issue of domestic violence in marriages. This film brought her significant attention and established her as the youngest movie producer in Nollywood. 2. Collaborations and filmography. She has worked with prominent Nollywood figures like Odunlade Adekola and Bimbo Oshin. Some of her notable films include Apara, Strangers, Silence Forever, and S.A. Miami. Her productions often tackle societal issues, showcasing her depth and commitment to impactful storytelling. 3. Balancing education and career. Fishayomi's education remains a priority. She attends Bodija International College in Ibadan and benefits from a scholarship that supports her dual career and academic pursuits. Her school has been accommodating, allowing her to balance acting with her studies. 4. Family support and mentorship. Though her parents are not directly involved in the film industry, they have been supportive of her career. She also credits actor Tunde Ola Yusuf as her mentor, who guided her entry into the Yoruba film space. 5. Future aspirations. Beyond acting, Fishayomi aims to establish an NGO to support orphans and promote children's welfare. She also encourages young people to pursue their dreams and advises parents to support their children's passions. Fishayomi ABEBI's journey underscores her talent, determination, and the potential to inspire the next generation of creatives in Nollywood.